This is a quant comparison question that is primarily concerned with number properties, more specifically, the number properties of positive and negative numbers. So we have quantity A here, that is x times y, and quantity B is y squared divided by x. And then we have some constraints above that give us a little bit of information about x and y. Well, anytime you see a value that is above or below 0, it really just means it's positive or negative. So xy being less than 0 is just xy being negative, and x times y squared being greater than 0 is just x times y squared being positive. Now, quantity A is already in the constraint. X times y is less than 0 is negative. So we know for sure that quantity A is negative. Now, we don't know for sure if y or x are negative, though, or positive. We could use these two constraints, though, to discover which one is positive and which one is negative. And in that case, that could help us determine if quantity B is positive or negative. So let's start off with x times y. X and y, we're going to list out here. X times y is negative. Well, if x times y is negative, then only one of the two must be negative. So either x is negative and y is positive, or x is positive and y is negative. These are the two worlds where x times y would be negative. After looking at the second constraint, we could determine which of these two worlds is true. If x times y squared is positive, then we could test these two scenarios with those with that constraint to determine if it's true. So for example, if y were negative, or sorry, if x were negative, then that would be negative number times y squared, y being positive, would give you a positive value for y squared. X times y in that case would be a negative times a positive, which would be negative. So that would be untrue. This scenario is not possible. That leaves us with just this scenario, x being positive and y being negative. Let's try it out. X is a positive number multiplied by y squared. Y being negative doesn't really matter because a negative number squared is still positive. So x times y squared is really a positive number times a positive number. So that's true. X must be positive and y must be negative. Given that x is positive and y is negative, we can see in quantity B that y squared is still positive and x is positive. So this is really a fraction where there is a positive number over another positive number, which is guaranteed to still be a positive value. Because B is a positive value and A is guaranteed to be a negative value, then we can know for sure that B is greater than A.
Hi, I'm Tyler, co-founder and CEO at Achievable, and if you love this video, you'll love our GRE course. Achievable's GRE course includes a full online textbook on all GRE topics, videos just like this one on dozens of key topics, a built-in study planner, machine learning instant essay grader that provides actionable feedback, hundreds of practice questions on all topics, and full-length practice exams. Our GRE course is very competitively priced, and you can try it out for free to see if our style is right for you. Follow the links below in the description to get started.